Michael Andrew Law was born in British Hong Kong in 1982. He studied paintings with Sam Tsang from the Central Academy of Art, Beijing, New York painter Dan Anderson's art school, and film producing from Roger Corman's film school. Then quickly moved on to making his living as a comic artist, illustrator, film producer, and painter. Law's works are appreciated and collected by many Asian notables. Indeed, perhaps never before has an artist displayed such an acute ability to capture the essence of youth. Law's most remarkable talent is his ability to bring modern painting techniques and styles to any given subject. His works range from classical painting technique and near-abstract contemporary paintings to the almost photorealistic, and he has mastered each difficult variant with remarkable aplomb. Michael Andrew Law has had 36 popular artist books published of his works, as well as his essay, Contemporary Art and Films. The original Pale Hair Girls oil painting series. This is the first series of paintings that developed into the Pale Hair Girls paintings. It marks the beginning of the 3 most recognizable visual elements in Michael Andrew Law's works, which renowned art dealer Dao Kramer calls hyper-pop surrealism. Up to now, it consists of over 8,000 artworks, a large ZZ Wang calligraphy character, white hair female figures called pale hair girls, hyper uses of glitter and sometimes gold leaf. The excessively used gold leaf and glitter, sometimes glass glitter, was intended as a way to separate the looks or visual differences between an original and a replicated piece. The original series is also the only work in Pale Hair Girls that is created with life models in a studio, opposed to the later series where works were based on found images or photography. Most of the work from the original series, starting at 2006, draws inspiration from classical painting such as the works of artist Rubens, Titian, Rembrandt's figurative works, William Alphonse Bouguereau, and especially Caravaggio's composition and his chiaroscuro method. Egoism paintings is the 3rd painted series. Incorporated with the idea of appropriation art turning into an original artwork, and ideas inspired by the working methods of artists such as Richard Prince, Jeff Koons, and Andy Warhol, they often replicate and distribute existed images without the original creator's authorization or acknowledgement, but uses the images for different purposes in order to give new meaning to the so-called stolen images. Michael Andrew Law uses this method often to take the cultural icons or iconic images that are familiar and almost representative to the internet generation. The visual style in Egoism is also borrowed from German master artist Gerhard Richter's blurrish photo painting, as well as Murakami Takashi's super-flat young female figures. Calligraphy and glitter can be seen throughout the series, but in a variable manner. Digital 3D models and found photographs had also been used, as well as manga characters. Egoism consists of 7,000 sketches, paintings, and prints, 20 sculptures, and 100 video artworks. Christmas Everyday Series. In this series, Michael Andrew Law utilized the manga iconography form of Pale Hair Girls to depict the materialism of millennials' thoughts at Christmas or the holidays. To create the look of a hyper-glamorous feel of the holidays, the entire series of Christmas Every Day plays with the visual of materialism in contrast with loneliness. The majority of the works were created with digital media and are available as prints and limited editions.